Two questions I get asked a lot are, what does the Open Mind Institute do, and what does it mean to have an open mind? To have an open mind means to have a willingness to listen and to accept ideas that are different from our own. When your mind is open, truly open, you're open to new responses, new possibilities, and a new reality emerges where every human being, irrespective of their age, gender, race, education, and social standing, has the ability to vastly enhance their memory, their confidence, their mental well-being, their performance, and their capacity to activate their utmost potential. And that's exactly what we do here at the Open Mind Institute. We're not a business, we're a movement committed to opening minds and removing the blinkers to the flourishing of human potential. We deliver programs and events to workplaces and schools that harness experiential learning to deliver some of the most cutting-edge and credible evidence-based cognitive enhancement and mental well-being training. Tools like emotional and social intelligence are used, in addition to tools like resilience, critical thinking, attention control, metacognition, and the psychological process of mindfulness, to name a few. We also facilitate one-on-one mindset and success coaching, which is helping our clients to reduce stress, anxiety, and remove the obstacles from becoming their authentic and higher selves. Finally, we have the digital arm of the Open Mind Institute that harnesses transformative technology. That is technology that is solely designed and used for the enhancement of mental well-being. And this includes things like our Open Minds podcast, our online courses, and we're also developing a holistic well-being app that will be launched shortly, so watch this space. So hopefully now you're a little bit more aware about what it means to have an open mind and what we do here at the Open Mind Institute. So that's it from me, and remember, always keep an open mind.